Hello. If you've been having erectile dysfunction lately, don't worry, you're not alone. The good news is there are natural, non-invasive ways to support your performance and energy levels, and they all start with simple changes to your lifestyle and diet. Today, I've got a powerful little recipe for an amazing drink that not only will cure you erectile dysfunction, but also improve your overall vitality. Here's what you'll need to make this refreshing and nourishing drink. 1 small beet, peeled and chopped. 1/4 cup of walnuts. 1 teaspoon of watermelon seeds. A handful of fresh leafy greens, like spinach or kale. 1/2 cup of water. Add more if you like a thinner texture. A pinch of rock salt, cumin, jeera, or black pepper powder. Optional for taste. Now here's how to make it. First, wash and chop your beet into small pieces for easy blending. Add the chopped beet, walnuts, watermelon seeds, and leafy greens to your blender. Pour in your water. Feel free to add more if you like a smoother, thinner consistency. Want to spice it up a bit? Add a pinch of rock salt, jeera, or black pepper. Totally up to your taste. Blend everything until it's smooth and well combined. For a little flair, garnish it with a few watermelon seeds or a sprig of greens. And that's it. Your cure for erectile dysfunctions is here. Together, these ingredients create a natural formula to support circulation, boost heart health, and promote overall vitality, especially for men dealing with occasional erectile dysfunction. For best results, make sure to drink this shot fresh, right after blending. That way, you're getting the most nutrients possible. If you give this drink a try, let us know how it goes in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tips on men's health